Hi guys, welcome to another Elementor video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, in our last video we showed you how to create this page really easily using one of Elementor's templates, and we linked up all the sections here. Today I'm going to show you how to create your first menu so we can link to the sections with a menu, and also how to set your page as a home page. So let's go down to the dashboard and we'll create a menu first thing. Once at the dashboard, I'm going to go down to Appearance and Menus. Now we haven't created a menu yet, so it's going to prompt you to create one. I'm going to call mine Scroller because I'm going to have this scroll to the section. Call yours what you want, but it's a good idea that it means something to you. I'm going to go ahead and create the menu. Great. Now we've got some various pages here. Now usually if you've got pages, you just add them by checking them and add to the menu. But today we're actually using a menu that's going to scroll to sections. So I'm going to use custom links for this. So I'm going to close that up. I'm going to open custom links. Let's have a look what we've got here. We've got a home at the top. Then we've got about, services, team, testimonials. Probably don't want to link to all of these. And contact. So let's do it. Go back to our menus. There. I'm going to create CSS IDs for all of these sections. Most of them have CSS IDs already. If you're not sure if you didn't see the last video and you're not sure what I'm talking about, I'm going to go in and do a few now. So I'm going to hit Edit with Elementor. And once we're in here, I'm going to start with the top section here, little pink tab, the little dots there, click on it. It'll tell you you're in the section. I'm going to go over to Advanced. You'll find CSS IDs there. CSS IDs have to be unique. It can be anything you want, but it has to be unique. So you mustn't have any more than one of these on the page. I'm going to call this Home, keep things simple. I'm going to roll down to my next one. And we'll do it here. I think we'll call this About. And we may have set this when we did it last time. Nope. I'll call it About. Let's roll on down. And we'll call this one Services. Again, over CSS IDs. This one's already called Services. Fantastic. We set that when we did the page yesterday. I'm going to call this one Team. Advanced CSS ID of team. Roll down a bit more. Here's our little testimonial slider. I'm going to go Advanced CSS ID. I'm going to call this Test, short for testimonials. I'm not going to link to this section, just the little logos that are revolving there in a little slider. Or this one. I'm just going to link straight to the contact section. And I know I gave this a CSS ID yesterday. Let's click on it to double check. Yeah, CSS ID of contact. So great, we can create our menu now. So if we go back to our menu, let's update this. Back to the menu. First link I'm going to put there is Home. Now to create an anchor tag, we need to put a hashtag in there. And then the name of the CSS ID that we gave it. Top of the page was just Home. So when they click on this one, it'll take them home. What we want it to say in the menu, Home. And then Add to Menu. Then we had our About section. And again, we called that About. Funnily enough. And we'll have it say perhaps About Us. We'll add it to the menu. Then we had our services. CSS ID of services. Again, I think it's fine to just say services. Then we had our testimonials. Hashtag. We just called it test. CSS ID we gave it. And we'll say testimonials. Add it to menu. And last but not least, we had our contact, which was hashtag contact. And we'll have it say contact us. Great. When you're happy, we'll have it added to the menu. Now you can drag and drop these by left clicking on them, moving them up and down if you need to. If you want to make a sub item out of something, just drag it to the right. It'll stick there. It'll tell you it's a sub item. This will now have a drop down on the menu, and that I'm happy. There's only 4 or 5 of them there, so I'm going to leave them just like it is. You can decide down here where you want to have it displayed. I'm just going to have it displayed in our header here. When you're happy, make sure and save your menu. And if we visit our page now and preview the changes, we've got our menu up here. If we hit About Us, it's going to go down to About Us, Services, takes us down to Services, Testimonials, obviously Testimonials, and Contact Us, Contact Us. Fantastic. Now, of course, we've made this page, and you're going to want to put it as your home page, because if I visit the site now, it's on the first page that I actually created, demonstrating some effects there. This menu is not going to work on that page because we haven't got anchor tags on this page. So to make this page your home page, we'll go back to the dashboard. We'll go down to Appearance and Customize this time. Here we'll find Home Page Settings. By default, it'll be set to your latest post page, which is a generic sort of Hello World thing. You want to flip it to a static page. Then you want to select the page that we created, which was our home page. And that's it. When you're happy, we'll hit Publish. Now if I go back to this page and hit the home, it takes us to that page, complete with our anchor tag links and forms that we built in the last video. So there you go, guys. There's how to create your first menu and set your page as the home page with the Elementor theme builder and the Hello theme. I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and WebDesignAndTechTips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.